Alright, so here are the Malunggay trees we planted. They're starting to grow. It took them a little bit of time, but they're coming. This one's looking pretty nice. It's the best growing one. The two at the bottom down here, they didn't do anything, they just died. But we got some healthy Malunggay on the way, which is really great in soup. Alright guys, that's it for the Malunggay update. Next time, it'll actually look like a tree, I hope. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.